Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. Today we're going to be looking at the oil filters from K&N. Now, back in the 1960s, a couple of innovative racers, dirt track racers by the names of Ken Johnson and Norm McDonald got really tired of their air filters stopping up and came up, well, with an industry leader. But what people don't know is K&N has a full line of filtration devices no matter what machine you have. Part of their lineup, well, it is aimed toward the motorcycle and ATV market. Now, what I have in front of me is just a small example of all the different parts that they carry for a variety of vehicles. Now, the two that I want to show you are a couple of different options for my 2002 Honda VTX. Now, comparing them to the stock one, you'll notice, of course, that they're the correct size. The other thing you're going to pick up almost immediately is they both, whether you have the black or the chrome, have a welded on 17mm nut. So therefore, you don't need a tool to put these on, and more importantly, to take them off. So which one do you need for your machine? Let me show you how easy it is to look that up on Partzilla. All you have to do is go to Partzilla.com. If you do not already have your machine loaded into the garage, you just enter in its information up top. As you can see, I already have my VTX 1800 loaded in, and now we want to do a search for oil filter. We want to see VTX 1800C parts only, and then we're going to go to K&N. And there you go, the two filters that are sitting on our table right in front of us, in chrome or the black. Well, there you go, simple to get to, but if you're still having trouble zeroing in on which one you need for your machine, drop us a line, send us a chat, and we'll be glad to get you pointed in the right direction. Well, listen, we just want to say thanks for shopping here with us at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.